Okay guys, hi, I accidentally forgot to do it, so I'm so sorry. So this is what I'm gonna do. Wait here. Wait and wait and wait. Till this cat goes somewhere, which is we know where it's gonna go. Let's do it. I don't know what's the name. What's the name? Oh, right there. Action! Action! Wow! Action! Action! Solo poquitito, solo poquitito. What are you doing, Mr. Cat? What are you doing? Mr. Cat, sorry. Mr. Cat, you know what you're doing right now? Mr. Cat, I can't go in there. I guess I need to take a picture of you. Where? Ow, I don't know where. They're right there. What? Wait, excuse me. Right down. Wait a moment. Wait, I will give you a second. Gee, it looks good. Ow. It looks good, Mr. Cat, which is my pet cat. Okay. My live stream. And there you are. Maybe like a little bit like that. Like that. Mr. Cat, can you more get up here more? Because action! 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 Mr. Cat, do you know what you're talking about? What are you doing about, and who are you doing about? Let me cut it off. And let's look at the other video and there, and yeah, that's good. Give me one. Give me another one. Little cat, look at me. Little cat, look at me. Oh no. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, that looks good. Little cat, look at me. Look at me.